Hey everybody, my name's Seppi from Realty Ninja. I'm one of the main authors for Realty Ninja's real estate marketing blog, The Dojo. Today I'm going to take you through some of the most important lessons we've learned over the years in The Dojo. Let's get right to it. So let's start today off with the most popular article we've ever written for The Dojo. It focuses on how to write the perfect listing description. So what we talk about in that article is the IDA format. And the IDA format stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. This is a proven sales format for writing really high converting sales copy. So what you want to do is download our IDA template that we've built for you. It's going to be in the description of this video. Write an attention grabbing line, you build some interest, you create desire in the reader, and then you tell them to take an action. And what it's going to do is put together that whole listing description for you, which you can then copy and paste into your MLS and into your Realty Ninja website. One of the more recent articles we've done in the Dojo is all about how new agents need the nicest websites. A big reason for this is because from day one, you're starting to compete against the veterans of the industry with 10, 20, 30 years experience. These guys have way deeper connections than you, and one of the ways that you can beat them in marketing is through your website and through technology, through social media, and through just looking great online. Not to mention, a beautiful website tends to convert way higher in terms of making your visitors become leads and making your leads become prospects. Another article we did recently was all about IGTV, Instagram's latest feature. It's Instagram TV. Now, one important topic we talked about in this article was the fact that you need to know your niche market and go after them on the right channels. If you're targeting younger people or first-time home buyers or condo buyers, perhaps Instagram and IGTV are great channels for you to pursue. But just because we promote a channel doesn't mean that everybody needs to get on it right away. Some channels are better for older demographics. For instance, if you're targeting older empty nesters, for example, you might want to be on Facebook and focusing more on email marketing than on IGTV. Just be aware of what's out there and pick the right choice for your target demographic. So are the robots really coming for your job? Is AI actually going to replace the real estate agent anytime in the near future? Probably not. In fact, AI is probably going to help you automate a lot of the things that you don't like doing, the boring and mundane aspects of your job. The truth is, when people are purchasing real estate, they are looking for that trust with a human being. They're looking for that emotional connection with another person. So focus on the values you bring to the table and don't worry so much about the AI. Just try to leverage it to help you do what you're trying to do. One thing to keep in mind is that it's going to be very difficult to rank high with your website for terms like #1 realtor in your city. Instead, you should focus on a specific niche, sub-area, neighborhood, or community and provide value to the people of that community through your website. This is going to help you rank way higher on SEO, and it's going to help your ads convert a lot better as well. Focus on being the big fish in the small pond instead of trying to be the big fish in the big pond. SSL Security is a really hot topic online right now. You want to make sure your website's SSL secure, or else modern browsers are going to start showing warnings showing that your site is insecure. This can really adversely affect your website and your website conversions, especially since real estate is such an industry that relies heavily on trust. If you have a real estate website, make sure you have the HTTPS up in your browser and that your website is SSL secure. If you're a Realty Ninja customer, don't worry, we've already got this covered for you for free. So one of the important factors about SEO is duplicate content. Now, MLS data is considered duplicate content because it's replicated on thousands of sites online. One thing you want to do is log into your Realty Ninja website and customize your listing so that it contains a little bit more description, maybe some PDF files and strata documents and higher resolution photos and maybe even more photos, just so that it's unique, so it's not a duplicate of what's already on the MLS. This is going to help your listing stand up higher on search engine results for its address. One of the best things you can do as a new agent starting out in real estate is to get yourself a mentor. Someone who's been in the business for 10 or 15 or more years, who can help you get a bearing on how exactly the ins and outs of the business work, but also you can offer to help them out with some open houses or technology or website management. You can bring some skills to the game and they're going to be able to show you a lot that's going to help boost your business. One really important aspect to modern marketing is creating landing pages on your website. So if you're creating ads or posting links on social media, make sure you link them to a landing page that has one clear objective instead of sending people to your homepage where they can just get lost in all the pages and all the information on your site. If you're a Katana user, you can create unlimited landing pages on your real estate website for free. Thank you so much for tuning in today, ninjas. I really appreciate you being here. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please check out the Dojo for more articles every month, and also download our free ebook. It's part 3 of 3, just got released recently. Thanks again, and have an awesome day.